This is us coming back from San Francisco. Haven't seen Noah in 4 days. Let's see what his reaction is to seeing Mom and Dad. Look at him.
Okay, no video here.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
My big boy.
Look at him.
I know.
Look at Grandma. Yeah, I'll beat up. Aww. Oh, it wasn't easy keeping him up. Oh my gosh.
Oh, goodness, I miss you.
Hey, little man.
Hi. It's Mama.
Mommy's home.
Yay!
Grandma gets some.
Yeah!
Oh.
There's Daddy.
Oh, hold on. He's got his fingers caught, Dee.
There's my Daddy. Yay! Hey. I miss you.
You go get in there.
I miss you.
Go ahead.
I miss you. Ready? Kiss the dad. Hi, big boy. He's with Grandma.
He's like, so many people loving on me at one time.
I love it.
Go ahead, stop. Press